Hi, if you are buying from the Far East or other countries on free onboard or free carrier conditions, your supply chain can be complex and time-consuming, especially when you need to administer this process in Business Central. In this video, we would like to introduce a solution to both simplify this administration and improve the visibility of available items for your sales crew and customers. CS Transfer Management. CS Transfer Management is a smart app for Microsoft 365 Business Central that supports your supply chain efficiently. It saves your time in administrative work and will give a detailed insight into the supply chain. Not only the availability of goods, but also the financial status of your assets in transit. Let's take a look and see how it works. In purchase orders, you may define the location where the goods will be received when posted. If you are buying under free onboard conditions, free carrier conditions, or similar, this location will be the point where you become the owner of the goods, according to the Incoterms. But in these cases, the trade items need to be transported to your warehouse or to your customer. In Business Central, transfer orders are used for this purpose. These transfer orders are orders from one location to another. CS Transfer Management adds a destination to purchase orders. This destination is also a location in your list of locations. The destination on the purchase lines will be inherited from the purchase order header, but can be changed to a different destination per purchase line. The purchase line will display an estimated date of arrival on the destination. The estimated date of arrival is calculated based on the shipping time in the transfer route between the purchase location and the destination. CS Transfer Management adds this shipping time to the transfer route, as well as other information that is relevant for transferring trade goods. These additional fields are used as a template for transfer orders. Before posting the receipt of a purchase order, you may define the transfer order that the posted receipt must be added to. This can either be done on the purchase order header or in the purchase order lines. Select an existing transfer order or create a new one. If a transfer route exists for the receipt location and the destination, the default values on the transfer order will be inherited from the transfer route. When the purchase order is received, the received quantity will automatically be added to the transfer order that was selected in the purchase order line. The source document number will be visible in the transfer order line. The transfer order has also been extended with additional information that was partly inherited from the transfer route on the tab Foreign Trade, and information that can be added per order, such as the bill of lading number, the invoice number, or a transport container number. The transfer order can be posted as shipped as soon as it has left the purchase location. The confirmed receipt date of the transfer order can be changed to the actual receipt date on the destination. The value of the goods will be posted on the general ledger account that has been selected for goods in transit in the inventory posting setup. The transfer receipt date will be visible in the purchase order, showing that the goods are in transit and expected to be available for shipment from the destination on the transfer receipt date. And of course, this availability date will also be visible on the standard item availability pages of Business Central. The same feature is available for assembly orders. If assembly orders are executed on an external location, a destination may be added to assembly orders. After posting the assembly order, the assembled items will be added to the selected transfer order automatically. If you don't want the posted items to be added to transfer orders automatically, simply leave the destination code clear. Available items can be added to the transfer order using the Action button in the page menu. On the selection page, the full inventory on the location is available. A transfer line details fact box has been added to the transfer order with details of item availability in the location of departure. In item ledger entries, warehouse receipts, inventory putaways, and posted transfer documents, the source document types and numbers will be visible. This will enable you to trace the origin of every receipt on the destination. Trade companies all over the world use the benefits of CS Transfer Management. It is the ideal solution for the supply chain. The app is available in 8 languages, for both Business Central Essentials and Premium versions. But there's more to explore. Subscribe to CS Transfer Management directly in the Microsoft Marketplace and experience the advantages free of charge during the first 30 days. Or contact your local Microsoft Business Central partner. Subscriptions may be canceled at any time. CS Transfer Management does not affect any standard Microsoft Business Central process. Generated orders and postings in Business Central will remain intact. There is no risk of losing any data. CS Transfer Management works independently from any other app for Microsoft 365 Business Central. Install CS Transfer Management directly from Microsoft Marketplace and see how it will work for you. Visit our website to find out more apps for your Business Central environment. You should give it a try. It's worth it. Thank you for watching.